Hey there, how are you? Custom pages for Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps are one of my favorite features because they allow you to extend your apps so they are more productive and user-friendly. My name is Jorge, and in this video I will be showcasing a custom page to overcome something that can be a bit annoying. You may have already come to a situation where you are creating a new record and you want to add a file or an image to it. How much does it bug you that you have to save the record before you can add a file? I can live with it for sure, but I also know we can do better. Enter Custom Pages. With a custom page, we can create a record and add a file to it in one go. Let's do 25, maybe for gas, and let's find a receipt and save. And there's your file. How cool is that? Want to take a look under the hood? What we have here is a custom page, a Canvas app that can be used in different ways in Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps. You can put custom pages in the left menu, or you can tie it to a button and have it displayed as a center dialog or as a right side pane, as in this scenario. To do this, you need to edit your app, and then edit the command bar of the table you are working with. We want main grid for this scenario, and from here you can add a button and then have it run some JavaScript when clicked. I will leave this code in the description, and you'll just need to change the name of the custom page right here. To find the name of your custom page, go to the Maker Studio and look for the name right here. So save this as a .gs file, as a JavaScript file, and with it you can go and create a new web resource, upload the file you have just saved. The file type should be recognized and it should be JavaScript. Give it a good name and save it. With that file in place, you can now add it as a library of your command. Also, make sure the function name matches exactly the function name in your code. Finally, take a look at the visibility parameter. You can have it with show for this case, but show sometimes acts out, so I have set a visibility condition to true. Save and publish this. And one other thing, you need to make sure, let's go back here. You need to make sure you add your custom page to your app. So go into new custom page, select the page and deselect show in navigation. since this custom page will be brought to you by the button you have configured. Publish this and then publish all customizations, and you should be okay. Ready to try this out? Give it a go and let me know how it worked out for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon.